Just heading to pick up our car. And then we're gonna drive for some brekkie. And then figure out coffee,
pastry,
matcha, all the good stuff. Figure out what to do. Let's go. Heading into the caves.
I mean, it takes a very long time to form. Stalactites. So what do we use to drink our drink?
Pretty. Made it to our stay. Cute little Airbnb farm stay. That's massive.
Massive. What do they do? Oh, banana greens.
Yes. Such a cute little space. So cozy. A Tassie thing.
Yeah.
They look cooked. Oh my god, can't take it anywhere. Hold on.
Mount Roland lookout.
Sitting down to my curry scallop pie. We reheated, kind of almost exploded. And what did you get again? Pepper steak.
Pepper steak.
And a Dagwood dal. And this is a sort of gluten-free coconut cake. Taste test. Mmm. Curried. Oh, that's yummy. Oh, it's got a little bit of spice. Never had a curried scallop pie. It's gonna take a while. How did I get all the vowels? Oh my god, you're almost done. I only just finished placing them out. Oh no, I don't know where to go. So we just came up with a new game after we both finished the game. Well, I finished the game. This is our one. And then I thought, oh, what if we just switch letters? And then we had to like see who could be the first one to make new words, and James won. It's got.
No, I was gonna say. Oopsie, this is coming off. That's coming off. Need glue.
It's morning now. Woke up a while ago, and now we are on to brekkie. Everything is so cute. I'm obsessed with the crockery, as I could leave imprinted on it. So our host homemade the muesli. It looks delicious. And she also baked this sourdough loaf. It's so cute. And the jams are homemade too. This must be blueberry or blackberry. This looks like jam, strawberry jam or raspberry jam. And this smelled like honey. So excited. We're also, well, James has been trying to finish off this puzzle from last night. I helped with some outside pieces, the corner pieces, and the music is so good. Very hazelnutty. mean, this just came fresh out of the oven.
Yes, that's right. That's why we should eat now.
Yes. And it is warm. It's an olive and yeah, olive and rosemary focaccia or thyme. I think it was olive and thyme. This looks insane. It is so fluffy and warm. Olive and thyme. Whew, it's warm.
Oil the whole way.
And oily. Yum. Oh god. Okay. I'm gonna have an olive.
Oh my god, it's pulled over. Does that mean we're gonna pass?
Yum. The olive is so good. Oh my god, they should use WattleHillOlives. Oh my god. I'm just here being a passenger princess. Let's try the coffee. Oh yeah. Got a Cradle Mountain stay. Spend a few hours hiking. Let's go. finishing off our 4-hour walk, hike, and heading back to Ronnie Creek. Saw some cute wombats.
Oh my god, did it poo?
So much poo. It was a good little hike. Right, where did we start? Yes, I'm holding up the focaccia. Second focaccia of the day. Num num num. This one is sausage and I'm not sure, tomato and cheese. Get the light. Today's breakfast is pretty much the same. Just got my leftover cinnamon kind of dried fruit focaccia. And then I'm gonna try the feijoas. These fruits that are apparently sweet and a little bit tangy. Cut it open. I don't know what I was expecting, but it smells so sweet.
Do you follow Amy France?
Amy friend.
I feel like you should. I feel like she's totally a vibe.
They're all like...
Holy shit.
That's
Oh,
cool.
let me be fine.
I love it. That was pure excitement.
Yeah, I know.
That's sick.
It's really sick.
Break down, Cinderella.
Lemon. Then big silo.
Those things are like